Welcome to the Still Point Minute. Inner stillness. Gentle breathing. Inhale through your nose, slowly, kindly. Let the air open every small space inside. Exhale through your parted lips and notice how the body softens. Each breath writes the word peace within you. You do not have to earn calm. It arrives the moment you notice it. Let the shoulders drop, the mind settle, the heart listen. Breath by breath, you return to yourself. Today's affirmation: I rest in my breath.